your local weather in Kawit, Cavite, Philippines. Today, it's very windy and cold in Kawit with isolated rain showers. So, don't leave home without your umbrella. There may be thunderstorms in the afternoon. A simple public reminder, during this rainy season, it is still best to prepare our safety kits in case of emergency and power outages. Everyone must also be responsible in keeping their own surroundings clean to avoid the spread of dengue virus. Let us all be vigilant and please keep safe, everyone. Looking ahead, your 3-day forecast consists of: first, a rainy day on Monday. There will be heavy rain showers in the afternoon. Tuesday, it will be a sunny day. There is a high chance of sunshine, though we can still expect a cloudy weather in some parts of the locality in the afternoon until evening. And finally, expect a clear day on Wednesday with bright sunshine and dry weather. That summarizes your weather forecast in Kawit. Again, this has been your presenter, Clay Stephen Agustin, reporting straight from Pag-asa. Thank you for watching. Now back to the studio.